Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I got something in the mail to share with you guys. Joe from Martinson's Manufacturing. You might know him from some previous videos. He's working on all sorts of like Glowforge accessories, especially for like the exhaust ports. Well, today he's got a window unit he sent me. As you can see, this thing is rather large. This is normal than the size that he normally makes and ships. He made me a custom one here because I got a really large old school window unit. My house is like over 100 years old, so it has pretty big windows in it. But this one basically stands upright for my window, not side to side, if you were wondering that. So he can do both if you have a window that you would need it to be this way or this way here. So he can make either one. You would just send him a custom size on his website that I'll put in the description below. He'll make it to your specs. He made it exactly to the specs that I sent him. I needed this exhaust port here to be straight up about this height right here, and it works perfectly, matches my other one. I'll show you that in just a moment here. This comes really well packaged. You have cellophane on both sides to prevent any scratches to your clear acrylic that this is. And it's going to look great in the window. I'll show you a photo of the blue still on it because I didn't want to take the cellophane off till this video here for you guys. So let me throw that photo up here for you really quick. And now that you've seen a photo of that, that's basically what it's going to look like, but it's going to have clear instead of the blue cellophane on top. Just wanted to state that for you guys. Also, as a really cool other thing that comes with it, like I said, it is extremely well packaged. He has these little corner pieces that goes on the corner of the unit in the box, just like this. It just pops on there like that to protect it from cracks, like if UPS or FedEx or something throws it. So it's really well packaged. I threw out the actual rest of the packaging, but he has cardboard all the way around the edges, so it's definitely not going to get cracked. Other than that, this is a really good unit. It appears to be made out of, I would guess, 1/4 inch acrylic, maybe 3/8 inch. It looks like it's a 1/4 inch acrylic though. And then he did a really good job at bezeling these little screws off, so there's no sharp points whatsoever. So if you have kids or something, they're not going to cut their hands on those little sharp screws that point out usually. And then he adapted his little Glowforge exhaust adapter that I showed you guys in a previous video to be part of this. So it has that little bezeled off edge. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a little bezeled off edge there that'll hold on the actual unit itself. So this is the most proprietary design here that's going to be of this. Otherwise, it's just a 1/4 inch acrylic, it looks like to me. So you could probably make this yourself if you want to go that route, but if you want it all pre-made and done, does a really good job of follow the specs that you send them. And then if you overshoot it, this would be real easy. Just cut off the edge with like a Glowforge Pro, or you can cut it with like a fine-tooth table saw or jigsaw or something like that if you need it shorter. You just want to make sure you don't go too short there. Other than that, this is really well. I wanted to show you the other one just for a comparison here. So if you don't like acrylic, you can actually make your own out of wood. I don't think he offers wood options yet, but I showed you guys this in a different video. This is the one that I made in a different video. I use like a quick release kind of system where you twist it and pop it off. So that's the reason why I went with this unit. But as you can see, I didn't bevel my screws off there, so that can be sharp on the edges there. So you want to be careful with that. I need to break these off sometime soon. I don't have kids or anything, so I'm not really too worried about it. This just stays in my window all the time, and then I just pull it off, shut the window, and then just leave it sit there. That's the same thing I'll do with this one here. So if you want to make your own, you can watch the other video too if you like it out of wood or something. Otherwise, if you want it pre-made, I would definitely recommend this one here. This one looks a lot nicer in the window too. That way when cars drive by, they just think it's another window. So we're going to go ahead and peel this off here. As you can see, he's got his logo right up here. I would definitely check out his site here. But I'm going to peel off just like a corner of both edges. Otherwise, it's going to take forever. Probably wouldn't take forever, but that's a large area to pull off and waste your time on a video here. But as you can see, I'll just pull off this corner. It's nice and clear. That way it'll look just like a window inside your window there. So other than that, yeah, if you want a pre-made one with all the edges done, you don't have to do any work yourself, go ahead and order from him in the description below. Once again, Joe, thanks for sending this out, being a great member of the community. I hope this video helps you guys out, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.